Memorial Day weekend 2026. Dave and I are heading out on the dinghy for a ride. Troubadour's way over there.
She's all lonely back there.
She is. She doesn't get left alone ever.
We really like this new dinghy we got.
Yep. High speed rolling now. Look at us go.
We're going to crank it up a notch.
Ah.
Look at us go. I'll bet we're up to 2, maybe 3 miles per hour.
We're awfully close to the shore. I'm looking for snakes. Hopefully they
Can't outrun them.
We're just outside of Birdsong Marina. Out enjoying the beautiful day.